Good morning, students. Let's start our today's class. Today, in the chapter Antarctica, we are going to study about the effects of global warming. What is the effect of global warming in the continent Antarctica? So, what is global warming? We already read it in chapter 2, atmosphere. Global warming means rise in the global mean temperature which rise up to a level that affects the life forms on the earth's surface. And for that, man-made and natural factors are responsible. So here we know that Antarctica is one of the coldest continent. The temperature is too low there that the whole continent become freezed or it is covered with ice. But what is the effect of global warming? That in near future, around 40 to 50 years, the temperature will be increased. Day by day it is increasing. And what is the result? The snow or the ice started melting because the temperature increases. Because of the increase in the temperature, ice started melting. And what is the result of that? The mean level of the sea is also increased. So the time will come that if it remain, the temperature global warming goes on in the same condition, the time will come that the sea level become increased. Day by day it is increasing due to the global warming. Here what is given? That the temperature of Antarctica as a whole is predicted to rise by small amount over next 50 years. An increase in the rate of ice melting is expected to be at least offset by increased snowfall as a result of warming. The snow is melting and there is a rise in the sea level. Rising temperature cause ice shelves to break up as they are floating. They broke into pieces and they started floating due to the melting of the ice. That it become water and the pieces of ice started floating. It may cause the glaciers to speed up. Glaciers start means they speed up their melting, their flow rate considerably. These glaciers will add to rise in sea level if they melt. There will be increase in the sea level that if it melt. Now example is there, the breakup of the Larsen B ice shelf in nearly 2002 was attributed to the effects of global warming. What is there Larsen B? A Larsen B is a long ice shelf in the northwest part of Weddell Sea. Here it is the Weddell Sea. So in the northwest side of the Weddell Sea, that Larsen B was their ice shelf, which is extending along the east coast of the Antarctica Peninsula. It is extending towards the east coast of the Antarctica Peninsula from Cape Longing to South Peninsula. So here, because of this, that Larsen B is started melting. And an ice shelf is a thick layer of ice that is floating on the sea. The Larsen ice shelf was about 220 meter thick and during 35 days period in early 2002 lost about 3250 kilometer. In the duration of only 35 days, that about 3250 square kilometer is melted of ice into the ocean. This breakup is thought to be consequence of higher temperature. That large amount of piece of ice is melted and just joined to the ocean. So it is the result of the rise in the temperature. The temperature of Larsen B ice shift area has increased by nearly 3 degrees centigrade in the last 50 years. What was the previous temperature of Larsen B was there. Now it is increased by 3 degree centigrade. So it is the effect of global warming in the continent Antarctica. That ice shelves started melting. The ultimate result is increase in the sea level. Next class we will discuss about what type of vegetation is found in Antarctica, what is what is the animal life, and which minerals are found there. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.